Hi, my name is Adil Khan and I will teach you the concept of software development, how we create a software at beginner level to expert level. Let's start. The first concept of to of for you start software development OOP OOP object oriented programming. Let's type here on the Google simple what is OOP? Object oriented programming OOP is a style of programming characterized by the identification of classes of objects closely linked with the method functions with which they are associated. It also includes ideas of inheritance of attributes and method. I think some of our user doesn't understand what it's saying and what is the purpose of this. Now I will teach you beginner to expert level. Okay, let's start. First, you install a software named Visual Studio. Visual Studio Community. It's a free version, community version. You can download from Microsoft site, Microsoft website, and install it accordingly. Okay, I have already 2015 version. I'm starting. You can type first new file, new, click the C sharp. This is a hash for C sharp. Okay, console first program. This is the ID which we can understand easily. What is the purpose of this ID? Basically, in this ID, we can create a software to the client, for the client, and for the market. Okay, and how we can code, I will talk about first this. Okay, first ignore all the things and you can see here the main. What is this? This is a starting point of our program. When the compiler comes, it's find first the main method. This is a method and function. Okay, there is a name method. Okay, this is a method and the starting point. You can type console.writeLine and type hello world. Console.readkey. I think some of our user don't understand what is going on. I will teach you. Okay, this is a starting point. When the compilers start the software or program, it reads this curly braces and read this and read this. How you understand what we type. Once you start learning, you can easily understand what we type. Okay, this is our first one, and there is a start method. A start button. We can start the software or program. You can see hello world. This is a DOS window, and you can easily see we type the hello world in our IDE, and when we start, the result is here. This is our first program and first concept how we can start our software program. This is the starting point. Okay. I will teach you more in second part. Thank you.